We're looking at a NAXOS Union grinder, twin head, 4-axis. X2 Z2 is the spindle which I have featured now. X1 spindle, in-feed, Z1 cable. Running both spindles simultaneously. X2 is feeding in X1 and X2 towards the part. X1 spindle still operating and feeding in Z1. Temporary setup in our facility here. Wheel covers, wheel guards, steps, all documentation available. This machine is in like new condition. We have been grinding cylinder printing rolls up to 198 inches in length. Standard grinding length is 171. Utilizing both heads, you can extend the grinding length. Automatic dressing for both wheels, including taper dressing. Thank you for viewing our video.